Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automat. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 Volkswagen Golf GTD. Now of course, as you'll see, you do get your full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You also get the light bar across the front grille as well. Then coming into the alloys, you do get these upgraded extras, which of course you can see just here. They are a 19-inch alloy, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. You do get the IQ lighting on the front and the rear. You've also got rear parking sensors. Then coming into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats with your little ski hatch in the middle. Then coming back out to the round, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have your park cloth Part Alcantara in the rear. As you can see, you've also got Isofix mounting point to the bottom, full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we have your DSG gearbox in the middle. Your engine start stops just here. We have your wireless phone charging pad as well. You've then got your drive select in the middle, so you can choose between Eco, Comfort, Sport and Individual. You've then got your Park Assist menu, so you can see your parking sensors, driving assist, and then your aircon. Coming up to the touchscreen display itself now, as you can see, we've got your Bluetooth hands-free. We've got App Connect, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We've then got your various media sources, so you've got My Media and Bluetooth. Then we also have your various radio sources across the top here. You've also got satellite navigation within there as well. And if you're not a fan of the purple, you are able to change that by going into the background settings just here, and you can alter it exactly to how you wish. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume, cruise control just above. Over on the right, we have your track select, heated steering wheel, and your digital cockpit controls. Your assist systems can be activated and deactivated on the indicator stalk, but most importantly, as you can see, this car has done 22,049 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Golf GTD, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automat.